Welcome to Simple Tech Tips. Today we'll learn how to install FFmpeg file on Audacity. Sometimes when you're trying to edit some audio files, it will tell you that it cannot edit them. The reason behind is the FFmpeg file. For example, we're trying to edit this file and it says incorrect file type. The fix is the mpeg. This is what they're saying. Okay. So go to the edit and then preferences. Once you're here, you have to scroll down to the libraries and then there are two options. So click on the download. It will open a browser. When you're here, you have to scroll down and click this. Then again, click it. You should land here. There are two options, 64-bit and 32-bit. You have to choose the one that you're on. If you're on Mac, you have to install this one. Since you're on 64-bit, we're going to download it and install it. It's downloaded. Let's click it. Okay, let's click OK now. Let's try to open the same file. You'll see that it managed to open that same file now. So we have correctly installed